Hello guys, welcome to the SEO Content Writing Course, and in this video we'll talk about why one should choose this course over all the other courses that's out there. So first, I have to confess something. This video might have a lot of venting involved because I've always felt this strong hate towards the education system all around the world because we always have to waste a lot of time learning things that we are never gonna use. Like, have you ever felt this? Just relate with me. 90% of the things that we have learned in school or college is not going to be used in anywhere across our life, across our entire life, right? And in digital marketing, I did over 30 courses in all these fancy big shot websites like LinkedIn, Coursera, and everything out there. But still, I probably only learned 20% of what I actually used in my 5 years experience as an SEO and a digital marketer. Can you relate to my frustration? I mean, all these courses are apparently made by industry experts and they just beat around the bush so much just to make the course long. I mean, I did a course which said that SEO needs to be learned in 6 months. 6 months? I could teach SEO to anyone within 3 or 4 hours. That's all. That's all you need to learn theoretically. Everything else is practical. And you know what the biggest joke is? At the end of it all, they say they will give a certificate apparently being accredited by these big institutions and which would help you get a lot of internships and jobs. It's not going to get you anywhere because I have worked with over 20 companies across SEO and digital marketing, and yet none of those companies asked about any certifications in the job interviews at all. Why? Why this fake marketing? So, if you wish to skip through all of that unnecessary phase and want to learn the theory and the practical aspect of SEO and SEO content writing, you are in the right place. Trust me, this might seem like an exaggeration, but if you are in this place watching this video right now, consider yourself really lucky because you're gonna save yourself a lot of years of learning experiences, like going through all these courses and certifications, and then at the end of it all, after 1 or 2 years, you realize this is all a complete waste of time, and what you actually required to learn was just this 3 or 4 hours of important theory and practical content, and rest is all experimentation. Think about SEO and digital marketing as it's a sport, be it soccer or cricket. If you do a course in cricket or soccer, are you really going to learn anything? No, you have to experiment. You have to go out there and play to learn the sport and to master the skill, right? It's an art. I'll teach you everything that you need to learn before you go ahead out there and start experimenting. Actually, you can work with me at the end of this course as well. So you might be wondering, am I really an expert in SEO or SEO content writing? Every time I hear the word SEO expert, I just can't stop laughing, guys. You know why? It doesn't make sense whatsoever at all. Because SEO industry is something that keeps changing over a period of time. And people who actually claim that they are SEO experts in all these websites that you see out there are just people. Of course, they worked long and hard in this industry for a very long time. But it can get frustrating for some people to keep learning, to keep adapting with the change that happens in Google and all the search engines. Like what works today might not work in 5 years at all. The SEO industry landscape could completely change in a period of 3 or 4 years. It could, right? And these guys they just can't keep up with the change. And in order to make quick money, they trick people like you and me into doing those outdated courses and give a glorified certification. And what's the use of all of that? Of course, you learn something, the basics. You do learn some basics in that. I'm not saying all those courses are completely useless. You do learn something about the theoretical aspect, but at the end of it all, it's a waste of time. Guys, it's a complete waste of time. You think I'm too hateful about all of this? Well, you would understand me if you sat through 30 useless courses and to realize that this is not really going to matter anywhere in my life. Of course, it might look glorified, it might look really good on your resume and CV, but then it's not going to help you with any job interviews at all. You know who are actual SEO experts? People who run successful websites on their own with huge organic traffic. I have tremendous respect for people like that. ask yourself a question. If someone's an actual expert in SEO, why don't they host their courses in their own websites? They could build their own following, they could build their own brand. They claim themselves to be an SEO expert, right? Then they should have a really good website with amazing organic traffic, and they wouldn't have to host their courses in websites like Skillshare or LinkedIn or Coursera. It doesn't make sense, right? You know who are actual experts? The people who run their websites with amazing, terrific organic traffic, or the people who are usually ignored, the underdogs in companies who work so hard, the content writers, the backlink builders, the on-site SEO optimizers, all these people, the underdogs who work hard in companies, and they are in a pressure to improve the company's organic performance, and they keep up with the news. They work so hard and they experiment with a lot of things to make things happen. These are the actual SEO experts that a lot of people often ignore. Anyways, I've spoken my heart out to you guys. The ball is in your court now. You could choose the hard part. You could go ahead and learn all these courses just for the sake of certifications or just to explore what they are. I have huge respect for you if you choose that as well, because I was like that back then. But if someone like me had spoken this to me back when I started out, I'll definitely do their course. It's definitely not expensive at all. It's probably free for a large part of the year. So you could go ahead and do my course. I just want to provide value to people who are like me, who have huge goals and dreams in SEO industry, to actually enable them to achieve their dreams. And I'm just trying to help them out, right? And you might be wondering, a lot of these courses have these guarantees of 100% internship opportunity at the end of the course and everything like that. You could go ahead and pay huge fees to them and then do their course and go to the internships that they offer. The guarantee or the promise that I give you is, at the end of this course, you wouldn't need anyone's help to get yourself any internship or jobs. You'll be a very strong content writer or an SEO content manager or just an SEO professional who will be the most knowledgeable person in the industry, and employers would be dying to hire you. Sounds like a very hard thing. Sounds too good to be true. Well, I do give you a lot of exercises by the end of this course, and if you were to complete that, what I told will be 100% true. So ball is in your court, guys. You can decide whatever you want to do. Thank you. I hope I see you in the course.